Check out our new Buy Now button for e-commerce. This new feature streamlines the checkout process, enabling businesses to swiftly purchase items with a single click, enhancing business experience and driving conversion rates. Let's talk about those benefits. First, you're going to now have a streamlined checkout process, which is going to simplify the purchasing journey for customers with the Buy Now button. You'll also see an enhanced customer experience, which is going to improve customer satisfaction by providing a seamless and intuitive buying experience. And you're going to also experience increased conversion rates because you can now expedite your user's path to purchase. Let's talk about those practical uses. Say that you've got a small online boutique clothing store and you're going to implement the Buy Now button on your website. Customers browsing through the online catalog can now easily purchase desired items with a single click, leading to a significant reduction in cart abandonment rates and increased sales. Let's talk about how to actually use the new Buy Now button. First, I'm going to have you go to websites. And to do that, you're going to click on Sites on the left-hand navigation. In the upper navigation, you're going to click on Websites. For this example, I'm actually going to have you click on an existing store that you've already created. From there, let's go ahead and access the product details page and click Edit. Now you're going to toggle on the new Buy Now button. What's great is you can completely customize this. So you're going to go under that General tab and you're going to customize the border color and text color. Now let's go ahead and customize your button text. That's also in the General area on the right side, and you're going to click on those text options and go ahead and customize that button. What's great is now when your users click on that new Buy Now button, whatever you decided to name it, the item is going to be added into their cart. Now they can simply go to the checkout page and check out. Experience accelerated sales and enhance customer satisfaction with the introduction of the Buy Now button on the product detail page within our CRM, empowering businesses to drive revenue growth and streamline the buying process for their customers. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.